Come test drive the 2014 Odyssey. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine, and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear quarter windows, power, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find rear view camera, leather trim seats, audio, internet radio, Pandora, electronic messaging assistance with read function, cruise control, trip computer, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, child safety locks, audio and video remote control, multifunction display. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.